First, we will open the glove box. Glove box is opened. Notice on the right side, there is a damper that needs to be pulled out. Once the damper is pulled out, now using both our hands, we will push the glove box from both sides because it's holding onto something there. And once it's pushed, then we will slightly pull the glove box downwards. Right there is the place for the cabin air filter. There is that tab right here. We'll press this tab and then pull this cover out. We will just slide out the cabin filter. And there we ended up taking out the cabin air filter. Mine doesn't look that bad, so I will keep it for some 1,000 more kilometers. But in case if you want to change yours, make sure where the airflow is written, arrowing downside, that's the side that has to come at the front with a Hyundai logo right there at the front. Now, in order to put this back, all you have to do is just slide it back to where you took it out from. I would recommend putting the left side first and then punching in the right side. Push it slowly until it goes completely in. Make sure you've placed it completely inside. Then we will go ahead and put back this cover. Notice this cover has an up sign on the right side. So you have to make sure that this is the sign that goes towards the right side. And the other side has a tab right there. So this tab is actually supposed to slide in. Let me show you how we do this. So we put this inside that. Then we close it like a door. So here is an important step. You actually have to push the cover until you hear a clicking sound. There you go. Put back the glove box to its original shape. Just slide it upwards until both sides goes completely in. There you go. Both sides are in. And now I will go ahead and put this damper on the right side. Damper on its place. Now we will just close the glove box. And with that, we are done with the replacement of the cabin air filter. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.